Well, as we do continue to get back to learning throughout the month of August, we're teaming up with Stir Cooking School to make sure that we are getting our lunchbox banquet in. So we spoke with Katie Foster from Stir.
My name is Katie, and today we are going to make a bento box lunch. Since school's maybe in session, maybe not in session, some kids are going back in, some kids aren't. This is a great thing to have them do either the night before with you or something you do with them maybe the morning of. My kids like a large variety of different things in their lunch boxes. The main things that I really like to include in their lunch boxes are things that are like on sticks. They love being able to take off things of sticks or poke them themselves. So some of the ones I really like to do would be like these little mozzarella balls that you have with tomatoes. These are from our garden. The basil's from our garden. Right here I have a ham and cheese sandwich. It's literally just a basic ham and cheese sandwich. And then I have these cucumbers that I've sliced that I then have this cookie cutter or round cutter that's the exact same size as this cucumber. So then I'm going to punch out our little sandwiches to have the exact same size as our skewer. My kids love fresh vegetables, but sometimes they want to kind of work for them and work for some of these marshmallows as well. So we have a fun skewer. Some other fun stuff, we have this Swiss chard from our garden as well. With this, what we're gonna do is I have some provolone cheese. So I'm gonna take 3 pieces of this salami, and then I'm going to take this piece of chard and I'm gonna roll it up in here. So we have a skewer of a nice roll up. This would be awesome on a Bloody Mary too, so you could double it for you as well. Lots of different varieties that you can add for lunch boxes. You can find more information on our website, which is www.stirtolearn.com. There we have our online cooking class subscription where you can subscribe and watch tons of different cooking videos. So I hope to see you soon.
Well, Stir Cooking School is hosting plenty of online classes for all your date nights, girls' gatherings, and even kids' camps this summer. Head to stirtolearn.com to sign up or subscribe and get tons of amazing recipes.